welcome to Gordon on Guitar, Arizona ZERVAS, first time on this channel. Song called Bands. So this one is a cool song from Arizona ZERVAS. So 4 chords goes round and round. We love that. We need to set our capo on the 1st fret here to match up the sound. And let's go over the chords first. We have G, so that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Right, next chord will be D. So that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. F sharp minor. So that means you need to bar the 2nd fret here, all strings, and the rest will be 4th on A and 4th on D. Alright, and the final chord will be B minor. So you still bar the 2nd fret here, this time only 5 strings, so from A string and down, you bar that one, and the rest will be 4th on D string, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. Right, so we have the chords, we just need to learn a strumming pattern, and let's start with the G chord. That is the first one. The strumming pattern will sound like this for 1 round. Alright, so we will divide it into 2 parts to make it more easier to learn. So let's start with the first part, down, 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 up. Okay, so down, 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 up. And the second part will be up, down, 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 up. So up, down, down, down. So if we connect these 2 parts, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. Alright, so that is how it goes. So we have 1 round of strumming for G, 1 for D, 1 for F sharp minor, and 1 for B minor. So a couple rounds will sound like this. G, D, F sharp minor, and B minor. Goes like this. G, D, so we will play 4 rounds of this chord progression, 4 rounds of strumming, and then after these 4 rounds we are just in the middle of verse, and in the lyrics, "'cause all my dogs from the back street." Okay, so that is where a new 5th round starts. On that G you will play 8 downs, then D 8 downs, then F sharp minor 8 downs, and B minor 4 downs with a pause. Alright, so the 5th round at that place in the lyrics, "'cause all my dogs from the back street," it will start a new chord progression, so it will sound like this. 8 downs for each chord. Second to last one, just 4 downs. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a pause. And that builds up for the chorus that starts right after. And when this chorus starts there, you will play another 3 rounds of the strumming, and that is how this song from Arizona ZERVAS called Bands ends. So yeah, good luck with this one, guys. See you soon. Don't forget to subscribe and play tune.